Guys, Easter is $1 billion holiday and people are spending big on custom gifts, t-shirts, as well as decorations. So this is going to be you guys' chance to cash out big using print on demand. As a complete beginner, you guys can start today selling custom products without having to deal with inventory or actually shipping those products. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up your shop, how to create a trending Easter product, as well as how to market your product. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Viva and I'm a full-time influencer as well as a successful online business owner. In my 12 years of being on social media, I've been able to build not one, but two successful six-figure earning online businesses. And I do this all while being able to stay home with my children, whom I actually homeschool. And as you guys can see, we're actually in a new location. We recently relocated to the Dominican Republic, and this is where we now call home. And I'm able to do this all from social media, you guys. If you haven't yet, take a moment to subscribe. Not really for me, but more for you. I'm here to be a resource for you guys to help you build your brand and boost your income. If you're someone that's looking to start making money online and you're not selling print on demand products, then you're seriously leaving money on the table. Sure, you guys know Easter is one of those holidays where people absolutely love buying themed products, especially for their kids. The best part is that you don't have to stock any inventory. You're not actually physically shipping these products. Someone else is doing it for you. Let's hop into the screen recording part of this video where I'm first going to show you guys how to discover and find these trending Easter products. So for our product research, we're going to be using the website. It's called Everbee. This is what's going to give you the back analytics on which products are actually doing well and selling. As you guys can see here, I pulled up Easter t-shirts. And in the beginning, I'm sure you guys can see some phrases are searched more than an Easter t-shirt. So also keep that in mind. So as you guys can see, as I'm strolling, you can see how many searches as well as how many sales each individual product is getting. So this one here is getting 40 sales, and then you have a file down here. This is actually a SVG file, which is going to be the actual image that they are selling. And this one is getting 90 sales plus. So you want to take this information and use it to choose which product, which logo, which design you're going to actually be placing on your print on demand product. So to use Everbee, you do have to pay for it. They do have a free account, but the free account is not going to show you how many sales that product is getting. So definitely, if you're trying to take this business serious, I would definitely suggest in investing so that you're able to see exactly what is selling, and it helps you to take out the guesswork. Now that you know exactly where to find these products and how to find these trending products, now let's get into how to actually start creating. I'm going to go ahead and do an on-screen tutorial showing you guys how to create a Easter design literally from scratch. So for the design, aka logo, the graphics, we're going to be using Etsy. And for this, I want to use a circle, which I'm then going to layer it with different graphics like a bunny and text. But for the base, we are choosing this circle, just like a checkered circle. I'm just going to add that to the product and I'm going to resize it to my liking. Once I have the circle where I want it, you can either search in the elements for a Easter bunny, super cute bunny, or you can find a bunny on Pinterest, on Google. Make sure it's basically copyright free, that you're able to use it, and you just download it and you're going to remove the background from that image. And that's exactly what I'm going to do because I don't really like any of these bunnies that Canva has to offer. So once I've selected the bunny and I have that in place, I'm then going to go ahead and add my text. For this, because it's Easter, I want to use a very bubbly type of font. So I'm going to find the font and I'm going to change the colors. So as far as the colors, I'm going to be using Easter themed colors because I want each color to be a different shade. I'm going to highlight whichever letter that I am changing the color to. So as you guys can see, the E is green, the A is pink. So as far as the bottom text, we're just going to duplicate the top text because it's the same colors, it's the same font. The only thing I have to do is go in and change the way it curves up. So it's going to curve up instead of down because it is the lower text. So then I'm going to head over to the elements because I do want to add some spring vibes, some spring flowers because this is for Easter. So I'm going to go ahead and find the flowers that I want to input on this design. Again, you guys can use whatever you want. You can do whatever design you want. I suggest that you guys play around with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and select these flowers here. And I'm going to make them kind of coming out of the side of where it said vibes and the bunny's cheeks. And then once I have one flower down, I'm then just going to do the same and duplicate the same flower on the other side, but flip it so that it looks like how it's supposed to. So this is the finished design. As you guys can see, I love how it came out. You just want to go ahead and download this and save it as a PNG transparent file. It has to be transparent, meaning that it cannot have a background. You don't want this image to have a white background because you're putting it on something that might be a different color. Now that we have done our research, we designed our product, now it's time to put this product live on our Printify store. Okay guys, so here we are on the Printify website. As you guys can see, we have a lot of products to choose from when it comes for like gift ideas for the holidays. But I told you guys we're going to be doing a t-shirt for children. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to upload your design and get this product basically up and running. So this is the t-shirt that we're going to be working with. And I just want to show you guys the different prices, the different options that you guys have from. So we have two different options. Of course, I'm going to go with the top option because it offers more color options. Like we don't want to be limited to a certain amount of colors. So we're going to go with the first option. Select your image. You're going to then upload it onto this shirt. This part is super easy. You just want to size it and make sure it's at least medium resolution. You don't want to go in low quality, low resolution. So keep it to medium high. So I'm going to size the shirt to make sure it's centered, and it's just as easy as that, you guys. Once the logo is created, it's super easy to build the actual shirt. We are going to be using AI to optimize this product. The description, the title, and also the hashtags is literally going to do everything for you, but you do want to make sure you're going in and checking everything and making sure your product title description is what you actually want it to be. So as far as the hashtags, I do leave the hashtags that were provided, but I am going to go ahead and add in a few of my own that I wanted to make sure I am optimizing this product for SEO. Then we're going to get into the actual pricing of this product. So as far as the pricing for this product, you are able to change how much money you are charging as well as how much money you're making in profit for this product. As you guys can see, it does cost $16.03, I believe it is, to produce this product. So you want to make sure you're making profit as well as pricing it reasonably. So once you're done with your listing, as you guys can see, it is uploading onto the website. You don't have to do any of the back end work like adding images and stuff like that. This program is going to do everything for you. You just have to wait for it to upload on your Shopify. The product is live. You then want to connect it to your Shopify using this quick tutorial that I'm going to show you guys right now. So this is exactly what the product is going to look like once it's imported on your Shopify. As you guys can see, they have the sizing chart on the top. I don't want that, so I'm just going to copy and I'm going to paste the details on top of that chart. This is why you always want to go in and make sure that everything is done correctly, even though it's doing it automatically for you. Like you don't have to do any of this to get the product on your actual Shopify. Like you just have to go in and check and make sure everything is straight. And if you wanted to add more stock photos, or if you wanted to add photos that you actually took of the product, because you can order samples, then you would go ahead and do this. Everything else is done, even the hashtags to optimize your post for SEO. Then I want to show you guys really quick. This is how the t-shirt would look on the actual website. I think it's very cute. It's very straightforward. So yeah, I absolutely love this Printify on like print on demand idea for Easter, but for every holiday, you guys. Now that your product is done and you are ready to go, you're ready to start promoting and marketing so that you can get sales. Let's get into the best strategy for doing so using social media. I'm sure you guys know by now that short form videos, it's what's going to get the most eyes on your page, what is going to drive you the most sales using social media. So we're going to head over to TikTok or Instagram. You guys can take your pick, and we're going to be creating content, short form content to market our product. Yes, you are able to order samples. I've seen people iffy about this whole entire print on demand thing because they feel like, oh, how are you going to promote the product? You are able to order samples just so you can create content with and market your product. When it comes to promoting your product, you can either do videos of people modeling your products, styling your products, how to use it, how to style it in different ways, pairing it if you're doing a children-based product, putting that product on a child and having that child model it, letting people know exactly how that product is going to look. Then you also have the option of showing a behind the scenes of how you actually create that product. You must learn how to market your products properly, because it doesn't matter how good your product is or how good your product looks. If you're unable to market it, if you're unable to show it in a way that is going to get people to want to buy your product, then you're not going to get any sales. On top of using short form content, you also want to make sure that you're posting on Pinterest. On Pinterest, you're able to post photos or videos, but when you're posting on Pinterest, you want to make sure you're using SEO optimized keywords as well as titles and details about your product. This is going to help you rank when someone goes to Google and they search for, let's say, an Easter t-shirt. This is going to help you rank because you're implementing SEO on a Pinterest post. If you're selling your products on Etsy and you're not using Shopify, you also want to make sure that you're implementing SEO and including these Easter hashtags and keywords in your product. And remember, when it comes to social media and marketing, consistency is key. You want to consistently promote your product. The more you promote, the more you post, the better chances you have of actually getting a viral video, a viral post, which is going to gain you a ton of sales. So there you guys have it. That is literally how you guys can start selling print on demand products today. But don't just take this and use it for Easter. Use it for every holiday. And don't wait until the last minute because people are shopping before. Like they want their Easter products to be at their house on Easter so that their kids can wear it on Easter. So you have to plan ahead of time. So if you found this video helpful, definitely share it with somebody else because again, this is a free to start business. Anyone can do this, you guys. You just have to have consistency and focus on marketing. If you don't know how to market, I have a completely free video here that is going to teach you exactly how to market your products, you guys. So if this sounds like something that you might be interested in, I'm linking Printify below so you guys can sign up. That's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for subscribing, so much for being here on this journey of mine, you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in next week's video. Bye.